everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to share with you everything about Van Cleef & Arpels vintage Alhambra necklaces. If you like this type of video, please do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So currently I have two necklaces from this collection. I'm gonna show you right now. I have the malachite one. This is yellow gold with the green tone, and the down here I have the yellow gold with the diamond one. This is very pretty, and size wise they're all the same size. They're all from vintage Alhambra, and I have a sweet Alhambra bracelets. I'm gonna show you to do a size comparison between the sweet Alhambra and the vintage Alhambra. So far I don't have a magic Alhambra pendant right now, so I cannot compare both the sizes with you. Down in the future, if I happen to have one in the future, I will definitely show you guys up here. So basically sweet Alhambra is the smallest size that they have in this flower, and the vintage Alhambra is the original size, which is also the medium size. This is the most popular sizes. One size up they have a bigger size. They call it magic Alhambra collections. Right now I'm gonna take my bracelets off and just compare with the sizes with the vintage Alhambra right here. So here I put my carnelian, which is the red color bracelets. This is from the sweet Alhambra collections here, and as you can see, this is a small size and this is a medium size. This is the size difference. Personally, the smaller size is more for bracelets, and I love the smaller size to have more colors so that it's pop up from the bracelets, and the vintage size is the right size on your necklaces, because this one is gonna be too small here, just to my opinion. And eventually when you grow older, when your age gets older, you will want something larger. If you only want to get one, I would highly recommend you get the vintage size. Then you can wear it lifetime, and this one never go out of style. It's been there for many years, and everybody still love this size. The most classic one is the mother of pearl. Definitely that is the most popular from this collection, and also the onyx ones is very popular as well. While you are wearing the white t-shirt, the onyx will be a pop-up colors, while the mother of pearl is just gonna go with everything. Okay, that's it. And just a small tips, if you happen to just want to get a stone ones like the malachite or the Canadian one, you have to go to the boutiques to see. You have the ability to choose the color. When I say choose the color, that means each of the stone, those are natural stones, so it will have different colors. Each of the necklaces is gonna be different colors. So for example here, mine is kind of in the medium green color. You can go darker green or you can go lighter green. It all depends on what you want. You can ask the boutique if they have the inventory. They can bring multiple out and you will be able to choose it. It is the same for the carnelian, the red color. Some people like really dark red. Some people want lighter red, and you can ask them to bring multiple and you can choose the best that you like. Even for mother of pearl, different pendant will have different color. The mother of pearl is slightly different. Some of more towards yellow tone, some of more towards the white tone. That's just a small tip. Okay, coming towards the basic of these bracelets here, I'm putting it really close and you can see the center stone is green. That is malachite. As you can see, this is how the chain look like. I really love Van Cleef chain. It shines a lot and it's thick. It's really shiny like so. Towards the end, this is the end of the hook. Very pretty. On here it says VCA AU750, and on the other side there is some serial numbers here, and this is the hook. On the hook there is a logo, Van Cleef & Arpels logo, and the logo is on both sides of the hook here. Okay, on the other side it has two rings. So the shorter length, I measured it, is about 15 inches, and the longer length, if you decided to put it on the longer length, it's about 16.5 inches. And I also heard if you need, they can extend this length for 1 more inch. This is basically the very basic of these necklaces. In a minute, I'm gonna show you how the yellow gold with diamond look like. The chain basically look like exactly the same. The only difference is about this diamonds. So it has 12 stones. Total carat is about 0.48 carat. So the carat is not heavy, it's very light, and those are small stones. Their stone color is DF, very pretty and sparkly under the night, especially at night. On the back, it's look like so. On the back, it's not all stones, it's just the back of it. It's also sparkly, but it's not like the stone, so the stone is only on one side. This is the yellow gold with diamond. I just put 2 of the necklaces on. The malachite, the green ones, I put it on the shorter length, and then the yellow gold with the diamond ones, I put it on the longer length. This is the length difference on your neck. And I'm just moving it far away, and this is how it looks like on your neck with different lengths. So this is how it looks like. Very pretty. And see, even this is a medium size, but if you're looking at your whole body together, you don't see this is too big. So think about if you are buying a sweet Alhambra, the smaller size, people narrowly really see you. If you really like the smaller ones, some people they really like more tiny dainty stuff, then I would recommend you to buy pop-up color like the red color. Or if you have the budget and you can go up to the white gold, that one is just pretty as well. Price wise, the stone ones ranges about 2,500 to 3,000 or even a little bit more. For the gold one, the glaze gold, the gold with no diamonds is around 5,000, and I believe the price go up a little bit right now, maybe 5,300. So the yellow gold and rose gold with diamond one right now it retails about $7,350, and the white gold is, I believe, is slightly higher. I cannot remember exactly, but you can feel free to search in Google. Google will direct you to the Van Cleef Arpels official website, and they have a price tag on that. So right now, talking about my recommendations, if you want to buy a stone one, let's see, I would highly recommend Mother of Pearl. To be honest, I don't regret to get the malachite one. The malachite one is the first one that I got. At that time, I'm comparing the malachite and the Mother of Pearl. Mother of Pearl is just basic white color. At that time, I feel like that's just too normal, too regular. I want something pop up since this is kind of like my first fine jewelry pieces. So I choose the green one. It had kind of a little bit specials, but right now I kind of regret because the green ones, I rarely wear them. Because I always feel like I want to match something like my shoes or my handbags. But I normally just do not have those much green stuff, but the white Mother of Pearl ones is gonna go with everything. No matter what colors that you're wearing, white and black just go with everything. So I would recommend either the Mother of Pearl or the onyx one. But onyx one, I think it adds more characteristics because it's black. Not everybody can handle black. White is more soft, ladylike. If your style is more ladylike, very soft, I would highly recommend Mother of Pearl. You will never go wrong with that one. If you like white gold, you have most of your jewelry in white gold, and I would recommend you go to the Mother of Pearl with the white gold one. And the really cool thing is that the Magic Alhambra collections, they have the Mother of Pearl with the white gold one. I have my eyes on it. I really want to try it in real person. I tried on many times with the Mother of Pearl, onyx, and also the Canadian one. The Canadian one, I think it adds really a lot of characteristics to your style. I would wear it in Chinese New Year's and Lunar New Year's and those kind of situations, but I don't find myself use that much. If you want to get most of your money out of the use, then I would highly recommend you go with the Mother of Pearl. And in addition, if you want something that you don't have to care too much about it, then I would recommend you go up to the gold one, the new gold, which is the Ganesh gold. It's really nice. It's very sparkly, just like it has diamond. Right now it's about 5,000 in that area, maybe a little bit more because of the price increase. Before the price increase, it's about 5,000, and that one is just such a beautiful one. It's gonna be the same as this one. So this is the Ganesh. And this one definitely recommend. It's very pretty, but right now it's just very hard to get it. If you want to go another step up, you want diamonds in your jewelries, and then definitely those ones, specifically the yellow gold with diamond, the rose gold with diamond, even the white gold with diamond. I highly recommend you go to the boutique and try it on. Everything you try it on, you will really know what exactly suits you. Every time I put it on, I just feel like, okay, that's mine. Then I will just put it on my wish list and work towards that piece. I also have my eyes on my earrings. I want to get the Ganesh yellow gold earrings for this year. I haven't found any places in stock. I have my eyes specifically on that piece. I'm waiting for that one. I already told my Esse's I'm gonna waiting for that pieces. If you have it in stock, as soon as you have it, please let me know. I'm gonna go grab it so I can have my collection complete. I have my necklaces, I have my bracelets, and I'm waiting for my earrings. So that's gonna be my handbag collections. And next I'm gonna thinking about the mother of pearl 10 motif one. I find that one is so functional, and I'm planning to get that one to wear it just by itself. Also, I'm gonna link it with my bracelet so it can have 15 motif ones to sit lower on my neck. I just cannot wait if at that day that I can have that pieces in my collection. Okay, that's all I have today. If you have any questions, please comment down below, and I hope you really enjoying this video. If you do, please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Alrighty, I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.